Algebra I Honors, Lesson 6.3, Solving Multi-Step Inequalities. So we briefly talked about inequalities and how we notate them and things like that. We're just solving a multi-step equation. The only exception is when you multiply or divide if it's by a -1, flip the sign. Right? Nothing's changed. That's what it says here. So, I mean, really, just go practice. We subtract 7. Multiply by 5/2. Everybody forgets their negatives. Don't be that person. W is less than or equal to -40. One of the hallmarks we've been working on is checking it'll work. Less than or equal to -40 would be something like -80. So I plug that in and I check, and yep, it's less than or equal to -9. So checking is still pretty important. You also might want to just go over your work. +1. By the way, I would have paused this a while ago and tried these on your own. 9q is greater than 30. What's with the ugly fraction? Is such as life. 3 and 10. 10/3. No, I don't have to change it into a mixed number. This is high school math, not middle school math. Probably thinking, well, what happened to the number line? What happened to the interval notation? Well, here I'm being asked to put it in interval notation, so go ahead. I was just busy solving things, but we're looking at 10/3. Since we're going greater, it's going out to infinity, and it's curvy. Here we're looking at less than -40, so we're looking at -infinity and -40 and a bracket. +5 plus 5, -8f less than or equal to 64. Divide by -8, divide by -8. F is greater than -8. Flip that sign. Greater than -8 or equal to -8, comma infinity. I don't know what I just did. Somehow scrolled the wrong way. There we go. So you get -8, comma infinity. Lots going on here. I am going to move everything left. It's just a habit of mine. I mean the variables left. Dividing by negative, so don't forget to flip the sign. K is greater than 8. 8, comma infinity. Interval notation, by the way, is where it's at. It's definitely something you want to get good at. Over here, I'm going to distribute. Don't have to. There's other ways to do it, but I really think that's the best plan. When I distribute, I do it very quickly, so I always check negative 3g minus 12. Good. I'm going to move things right just to change it up, so if you're one of those people who likes to do it that way, so be it. And at 12, -8 greater than 8g divided by 8. G is less than -1. Remember, read it from right to left if the G is on the right. That's at -infinity, comma, -1. Multiply by 5 to V, hate the V, minus 3 greater than or equal to 35 to V. Sorry, forgot to do this. 98. Which is bracket 19 infinity. Very nice. So, as always in mathematics, there's two special exceptions. One's an empty set, and one's an infinite solutions. So, what's going on here? Yeah, I gotta distribute the heck out of this. I don't think we needed to make something so complicated, but okay, that's fine. 5y on this side minus 5y, we get 0. So I was going minus 5y and then combining the heck out of these things by minus 16 minus 16 minus 12 negative 4, some big, huge, ugly, negative 55, I think, number. Who cares? 0 less than negative 55, no solution. And over here, more distribution. 3a minus 21 less than or equal to 3a minus 21. That's all reals. I'm not doing any more. They're both identical, so I can put any number and it's going to work. I think the reason these looked so complicated was to show you that you can't tell until you actually work with it. And then you say, hey, wait a minute, there's no solution here, or it's all reals. That was the idea. So that's it. Practice, practice, practice. Good luck and happy